Hi Lynn, it's only me. I thought I would record this quick process because it might be easier than running over the phone or trying to do a screen share, and it also means you'll be able to take a look at it over the weekend without having to worry about how the process works. I'm going to have emailed you this file, data blinding module underscore quiz. This has got all your questions in, but we'll run through exactly how it works as we go through. So the first thing you need to do is open up your existing project in Captivate. So I've actually got two versions of Captivate running here. And just for the sake of argument, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start a blank project. So I'm just going to click blank project, click create, and let Captivate do its bit. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up to, I think if I'm getting this right, quiz, that's right, and import question pools. Okay, quiz, import question pools. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And it's going to ask me to import my question pool from a specific file. Now that's where the file we mentioned previously that'll be emailed to you, you need to pop that onto your desktop so you can locate and actually import that file. We're just going to give this a minute. As you can see, it says not responding, but hopefully in just a minute or two that will pop up. So we'll see how long that actually takes. All right, so I'm going to go to my desktop, and there it is there, data blinding module quiz. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to click open. Now it'll start doing some stuff on screen, but it will eventually give you this piece here, import question pools. What I've done is I've created a 10 question pool that contains the 7 multiple choice and the 3 true or false questions built into a specific pool, so you don't have to worry about it. It also, and I know this is all based on them taking this route, but if they do, it also gives you complete flexibility about how the questions are pulled through, whether or not they're completely random in terms of both the shuffling of the answers plus the way that the questions come out. So it's a bit more, it does give you that variable structure. I'm going to click OK. And you can see it's going to say importing question pools from the presentation. Now, what it's showing me is that if I just pull this up here, I've got my 10 questions. Here they are here. But if I go to my slide decks and my timeline, I'm back with my normal slides. And obviously in this section on the left-hand side, you'll just have your standard slides. So click the slide at which you need a specific question to come in, whether or not it's 1 or 2, or whether or not you need to pull in all 10. And simply go to File, and then you should, if I'm not mistaken, or let's go to Slides, go to Question Slide. And normally we'd say we want a multiple choice, we want a true and false. Click Random, click that. Type in as the number of questions that you need. So let's say, for instance, Nick comes back and he says, yeah, let's just throw them all at the end. You just click 10 and you click OK. And what it will do is it will pull through 10 random questions from your question pool. So it's going to take every single one of those questions and pull them through into the module. If you just said 5 or 6, it would have given you, 5 or 6 of the 10. And you can see that if I scroll down, because it doesn't know which order these are going to be in, they're all simply grey. But you can see you do get the results section at the end. If you need to adjust any of the questions, then the question pool tab will be down here. Simply select it, go to the question that you need to make any adjustments to, and you can simply double click and put those in place. That should enable you to pull all of the questions in, knowing that it's all going to work, and it should just make life a little bit easier. All right, have a great weekend, and I will speak to you soon.